More than just a beer or a seat by the wall. It's the soul of a community, it's the heart of us all. If you're winning or losing or just passing through, then the road will always make time for you. So raise your glass to our little, to the friends who still drink there and the friends up in heaven above. It's where I'll always go when I'm feeling down, 'cause the friends they're like family, there's always time to get another round, to get another round.